Good afternoon. I'm Charles Lejano. This is One News Now. Metro Manila, which has been placed under signal number 3, is bracing for the impact of Typhoon Rolly. In Marikina, residents of flood-prone areas have voluntarily left their homes and are headed to evacuation centers. For more details, Mean Los Baños reports to us live. Mean, how is the situation over there, especially around the Marikina River?
Yes, Charles, strong winds and rain showers due to Typhoon Rolly are being felt here in Marikina City starting at around 4 in the afternoon. And while the water level at the Marikina River is still far from the critical level, residents have begun evacuating. At 4 in the afternoon, the Dangka Elementary School has already reached its maximum capacity of 386 people. Mayor Marcelino Chodoro said this is the first time the residents voluntarily went to evacuation centers even while the water level is still far from the critical level. Pre-pandemic, the Dangka Elementary School can accommodate up to 1,000 people. But right now, the schools are down to only a third of their usual capacity to ensure that social distancing measures will still be implemented. That means, Charles, only 6 to 8 people are allowed per classroom. Face masks are also required to be worn at all times. In case evacuees exhibit COVID-19 symptoms like fever, they will not be allowed to enter the evacuation center. Instead, they will be shuttled to isolation facilities or swabbing centers of the city. Evacuees said they opted to leave their homes this early even before the implementation of a forced evacuation because they were afraid that strong winds would destroy their homes. Some of them, Charles, even brought their appliances like TV sets and speakers to keep floods from damaging their properties. Others said they also brought the food to be offered to their departed loved ones, noting that they don't forget the observance of All Saints Day. Charles, the LGU is closely monitoring the water level at the Marikina River, and they are ready to implement forced evacuation should the water level go up, and as they actually monitor the situation up until tonight and until tomorrow morning. Charles?
Thanks for that, Mean. That was Mean Los Baños reporting live from Marikina City. Still on Typhoon Rolly, the province of Cavite has been placed under state of calamity according to Governor John Vic Remulla. Cavite PDRRMO said around 2,000 individuals have already been evacuated from different parts of the province. The provincial government also announced that it will allocate 10 million pesos to help the victims of the typhoon. Cavite remains under signal number 3 following its landfall over the neighboring province of Quezon. Meanwhile, the Health Department's office in Calabarzon declares Code Blue Alert for all hospitals in the region. With this, half of all hospital personnel are required to report for duty to provide medical assistance and services. Regional Director Eduardo Hanairo said they are ready to provide assistance to local government units that need essential healthcare services. Hanairo also assured the public that their provincial health teams are continuously coordinating with local officials in the region. That comes as COVID-19 cases in the country continue to go up amid back-to-back typhoons. Just today, the DOH reported nearly 2,400 infections, bringing the tally to over 383,000, some 27,000 of which are still considered active. The decrease in active cases is due to another surge of recoveries, with more than 17,700 reported for today. That means some 348,000 have already gotten better from the disease. The virus, however, claimed the lives of 17 patients over the past 24 hours, pushing the death toll to over 7,000. For more updates, visit News 5, the Philippine Star and Business World online. Visit our website, onenews.ph, for more in-depth analysis. And you can also catch One News on the Signal Play app. Register for a free account now at www.signalplay.com and stream One News live anytime, anywhere. I'm Charles Lejano. We are One News.